And it also then it makes a lot of people antisocial as well. So as a practitioner, how do you sort of like make those people get back to routine, and how to make them understand how they can avoid certain situation? um, what sort of like remedy do you recommend to people who go through it?
So perhaps you're talking about in a way two different things, huh? So एक ये चीज़ होती है कि जब लोग ट्रिगर होते हैं किसी चीज़ से, right? Like for example, let's say that somebody has been through some incident where there was shooting, right, involved, and they kind of start getting very scared of going out, and जैसे shopping mall में अगर हुआ है, so they will start avoiding that, right? And then they will develop a phobia,
right,
of going out. And they will stop going out to shopping malls, or they'll start getting very scared of loud noises, right? So that kind of treatment is how you start educating them also, and trying to get them to see that how what happened then is not now, right? So there was something that happened, and that's a whole sort of way of treating people who have been through trauma. Of trying to get them to see that trauma has really in some ways created a conditioning in them, where every time there's a loud noise, they think that वही चीज़ हो गई है फिर से, and their body reacts that way. So to teach them to relax, to teach them to understand that was then, this is now, etc. जो पैनिक अटैक का सबसे बड़ा प्रॉब्लम होता है वो ये होता है कि लोगों को उसके बारे में समझ नहीं आती. They really think of it as a physiological thing, as a medical issue, like in the sense of physical issue है ये,
yeah,
right? हमारे दिल में कोई प्रॉब्लम हो गया है, या हमारे दिमाग की नस फटने वाली है, or something like that, right? So you really have to educate them about कि पैनिक अटैक होता क्या है. और सबसे ज़्यादा मैं अक्सर अपने पेशेंट्स को कहती हूँ, पैनिक अटैक्स जो है ना वो एक बुली हैं. They're like bullies. जितना आप उससे डरोगे ना उतना ही ज़्यादा वो आपको अटैक करेगा. Right? So the first thing you have to do is to recognize that this is a panic attack. I'm not going crazy. I'm not going to die. This will pass. And panic attacks, fortunately, do not last forever and ever. By definition, it's a limited time. और वो ख़त्म हो जाते हैं. लेकिन उस दौरान में लोग बहुत डरते हैं. So I think the idea is to educate them, and then to tell them, give them strategies कि अगर हो रहा है, सबसे पहले तो आप समझें कि hello, panic attack, here you are again, right? I know you, I recognize you. So recognize your enemy, right? And then apply the strategies, of how do you relax yourself, how do you sort of distract yourself, what do you need to do to deal with it, and ultimately it passes. And once people have done that a couple of times, they know it'll pass.
right.
So वो इतनी intensity पकड़ता ही नहीं है, because they are immediately able to say, ये तो ख़त्म हो जाएगा थोड़ी देर में. Let me just go out and take a shower, or do something to relax myself, or watch a show or something like that, and then they are much more empowered. So I think a lot of the work that we do is really about empowering our patients with knowledge, with confidence, with that kind of feeling that ultimately the healing is within yourself. The answers are within yourself, right? So nobody else has your answers. You have them. So our job really is to help the person discover that, so they no longer need us.